Welcome to this episode on AI tools that can help you save time and personalize learning. Today, we'll explore how AI can streamline your workload, automate repetitive tasks, and create more engaging and tailored learning experiences for your students. Teachers, your time is valuable. Between lesson planning, grading, tracking attendance, and meeting diverse student needs, your workload can feel overwhelming. But what if AI could help? In today's video, we'll explore how AI tools can save time, personalize learning, and make your classroom more engaging. AI in education isn't about replacing teachers. It's about enhancing what you do best. AI can automate repetitive tasks, provide insights into student learning, and help create a more personalized classroom experience. Let's start with time-saving tools. AI-powered grading tools can evaluate student responses instantly, providing feedback and analyzing trends. No more hours spent marking papers. AI can handle it in seconds. AI also assists with lesson planning, generating structured outlines, activities, and quizzes in moments. Whether you need a quick assessment or differentiated materials, AI helps you prepare more efficiently. Now, let's talk about personalized learning. Every student learns differently, and AI makes it easier to meet their needs. AI-driven learning platforms adapt lessons in real time, providing extra support for struggling students while challenging those who excel. With AI, differentiation becomes more manageable, ensuring each student receives instruction at the right level. Engagement is another challenge AI can help with. AI-powered tools make lessons more interactive through gamified quizzes, simulations, and real-time feedback. Students stay motivated when learning is dynamic and tailored to their responses. AI also supports accessibility. Tools that translate languages, read text aloud, or simplify instructions ensure that every student, regardless of background or ability, has equal access to learning. By using AI effectively, you can work smarter, save time, and create an inclusive, engaging learning environment. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more ways AI can enhance your teaching.